Okay, let's go right in. Add your chicken to a bowl, and we're going to prepare your buttermilk marinade, you can call it. Teaspoon of salt, and then add in a teaspoon of pepper. Get in there and stir it around with your hands. And then you want to add in your buttermilk. Add in the whole bottle of buttermilk so it covers, and then you want to sit it in your fridge for 1 to 8 hours. Here are your 11 herbs and spices. You have 1/2 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, a 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of powdered ginger, and 1 tablespoon of white pepper. Into 2 cups of flour, you just want to add your spice blend. Then you just want to give that a nice mix around. For your dredge, you want to have 3 eggs and 1 cup of seltzer water. And you just want to go ahead and give that a nice blend so that can mix together. Once your chicken is marinated from 1 to 8 hours, go ahead and take it out. Place that chicken into the bed of flour that you have. Just make sure you cover it all the way with the flour. Press the flour into the chicken so it gets into the nooks and crannies. Then you want to go into your dredge just for a couple of seconds, maybe about 4 seconds, and get it nice and coated with the dredge. And then you can go back into the flour and just repeat that process of getting it covered with that seasoned flour and then pressing the flour in. And then you can actually either sit it to the side or you can just leave it right there in the flour until we're ready to cook in about 20 minutes. So let it rest for 20 minutes. Get your oil nice and hot. You want to go into a medium heat until you get it up to 350. I use peanut oil for this recipe because I wanted it to get as close to KFC as possible, and they use peanut oil. Now that your chicken's been resting for 20 minutes, go ahead and toss that right into that hot oil that you have. Since we don't have a pressure cooker like they use at KFC, what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid onto the pan, and then we're going to let that chicken cook for 11 to 13 minutes. That's how long wings take. All right, once it's nice and golden brown, go ahead and take it, put it to the side so it drains. Now you see that piece came off, that's all right. And there you have it, KFC chicken. And does it taste like it? Absolutely.